What I have here is a 2018 Ford F-150. Now I had these cloth style floor mats, what I think was the one that came in it. And look how dirty these things get so easy. Here's what you want to do. They're going to be labeled left and right. There's an L on that one. Peel that off. We don't need that anymore. Put the seat in all the way in the back and then insert them in. Pretty simple to install. Check this out. I just moved my seat out. What you're going to do is go up under the pedals just like that. Now see, there's the actual hookups right there. Snaps in one, snaps in two. Wow, look how clean and nice that looks, everybody. That is such a clean look. Then move my seat back up. There's the driver's side. It actually goes over this wall a little bit. I mean, the step side a little bit, which I think will clear the door. Yeah, I don't see any issues with these things at all. That looks nice. Now, see, if your foot, if there's, the good thing about these, if anything gets on them, you just wipe them off. You can get a little, like little broom and wipe them off or hit it with some blower or something. Let me go around here to the passenger side and show you the passenger side. So you see that, there's the, we can peel that off. The passenger side fits just as nice. Now, there's no like pop holes. This actually has a little bit of sticky stuff right there and there to hold it in place. So this is going to go up in here like this, and it's formed nicely. They did a good job on forming it to the F-150 kind of side right here. You guys see how that goes? This is something I recommend for anyone that's got like a Ford F-150 like myself, and they just want to get something in a more durable format to protect their carpet from, you know what, getting in and out during the rain, snow, mud, whatever. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the F-150 floor mat set. See you on the next video.